But I was the only one that was calm, so I had to tell them. I was like, okay, I want you to go get me a cardboard box and some duct tape. I'm going to cut out the cardboard box.
Sorry.
All I got is my iPhone.
Here, if you want.
Take a picture.
You want to go around with the floppy camera?
Oh, hell yeah. I'll go around with the floppy camera. How many pictures does it get?
About 20 per floppy disk.
20 per floppy disk? Awesome.
And,
how does it work? Where's it? Oh, there it is. Yeah.
I wish people would know what breed of cameras, because I would have brought mine from the 40s, but... See, I'll take a couple of floppy disks. Floppy disk camera!
I love floppy disks. At my old work, we used to have a CNC machine that ran on floppy disks. Big old CRT. With had vector graphics.
Oh my god.
It was the coolest thing in the world. It was powerful enough that it could actually render models that were vector graphics. Wow. Because it was like a top-of-the-line CNC machine from like 1995. Like this thing was probably $1 million new. But now it's like uselessly old. Yeah. We have it just to do like one thing, and it has like I didn't overdo it today, but it shows the like vector graphics of the part.
Literally, I thought it ran off batteries. No, you literally wind it up, you put tape in there, and then you press the button, and you wind it, it will unravel as it records whatever video you're playing. Oh, that's crazy. It's super old. Like, it's too old, the leather on it's disintegrating. Like, we went to open it, and the leather was snapped. I was like, well, it still works.
I might have a roll of films for it.
Yeah.
Let's see if it'll actually take a picture. Oh, you have to kind of hold it down. Oh, wait.
Yo! You just got all the like the awesome like camcorders and all that stuff, man.
Yeah, man. He even has a floppy camera. Look at this.
I know.
It's a floppy camera. That's wild.
Here I am with like my 90s Canon Rebel for film, and then there's this amazing piece of work right here.
DVI Fujifilm one.
No, if it did not break, I would have brought my Fujifilm 6x9 120mm.
Here, I'm gonna leave this here because I don't think I can carry it.
The Winder Pro on it.
Here, let me grab a picture.
The Winder Pro.
Picture. Yeah, that's a good one. That should be it. That's awesome though, man. That's so cool. Should power. Here's the.
So we're capable with this, but this is Did you go to any of the Vancouver Furbies? I think I might have seen you there. I haven't been there yet. I didn't know they had them. There used to be a courtroom in I went to a couple of cool conventions and found out something all that way. So I kind of went there.
it was great because he was like, oh yeah, I have this Sony camera, but it's broken. I should get it fixed.
Well, let me see it. I'll also get a fix for you. He brings me an A7 R2. And I'm like, what the fuck? Yes, we're fixing this. He was changing lens on a dusty beach.
So it got sand on the sensor.